morning, first grade friends. Today is Wednesday, May 6, 2020. Let's go ahead and start our day with the kindness pledge. I pledge to myself on this very day to try to be kind in every way. To every person, big or small, I will help them if they fall. When I love myself and others too, that is the best that I can do. Friends, today I'm so excited. We're going to be Zooming together at 11:30. And we're going to be doing an activity we haven't done on Zoom before together. And we are going to be drawing a mystery animal. Now, of course, I know what this mystery animal is, but I want you to think about these clues with me and do some research maybe in the meantime and see if you can figure out what animal we're going to be drawing together. We're going to be doing a directed drawing. That's where we've done these in class before. This is where we do it step by step together. And at the end, you will have a picture of this mystery animal. Now, here are the clues about this animal. Now, I'm going to tell you, some of you researched this animal. So I hope that you know it right away as soon as you hear these clues. First of all, this is a rainforest animal. This mystery animal that we're going to draw on our Zoom meeting today spends a lot of time in trees. This mystery animal is a great swimmer. This mystery animal mostly eats leaves. The predators of this mystery animal are eagles and jaguars. Those are two of the big predators. This mystery animal is nocturnal. Stays up at night, sleeps a lot during the day, and can live to be about 40 years of age. Can you guess? Maybe you can do some research in the meantime with some of these clues I've given you, and I'll ask what animal you think that we're going to draw when we start our Zoom meeting today. Okay, friends? I can't wait to see you at 11:30. Hope that you'll all be there. Hope everybody's wearing their Unity bracelets that I sent you in the mail. I'll definitely be wearing mine, and I'll show mine off at the meeting too. And in the meantime, I hope that you make today a fantastic day of e-learning. I'll see you at 11:30.